Okay. Hey guys, my name is Hargun Singh. I run a marketing agency by the name of The Creative Visions, and at the same time, I'm pursuing a diploma in electrical and electronics engineering in Uniten. So, I'd like to bring you guys along a day in the life of a student entrepreneur in Malaysia, how I manage my time, talking to clients, finding clients, and also managing my team, and also at the same time studying and finishing my course in the diploma in electrical and electronics engineering. So pretty excited to bring you guys along here and show you guys what I do on a day-to-day basis. So let's go. So guys, I usually start off the morning with a cup of coffee because I really need it to charge me up and go. And I truly believe that the first hour of the day is yours, right? No checking your phones, no responding to texts, no checking your emails, nothing. The first hour of the day should be yours. I heard this from a podcast or something about a year ago. And ever since listening to the podcast, I've dedicated the first hour of the day just journaling, whatever thoughts that I have. And I usually write down 5 things I'm grateful for. Because I believe that you're on social media or when you're meeting with your friends, you're always comparing yourself with one another. But when you write down 5 things you're grateful for every single morning, it just reinforces that how lucky we are to be alive, and it just gives me that extra energy to get things done right. I'm not trying to sound all that woo-woo motivational bullshit kind of people, but that just has been working for me. So first hour of the day, coffee, probably a bit of reading and getting some journal in, and then after that usually go and check my emails, probably finish up some assignments that I have, and then yeah, we'll see how it goes. So guys, just got done finishing a bit of work, and usually in the mornings also after finishing some assignments, I go over to my laptop and I have a look at some client ad campaigns that we just launched yesterday, see how they're performing, how much money is being spent, what are the results that we're generating, especially in sales. And once that is done, I usually go over to this app or this website called Trello. It's a lifesaver. It really allows you to track what are the things that you need to do, what are things that you should not, what are things that you've already done, and it just takes off a huge stress off your shoulder. And by the way guys, I don't want to portray like all of these entrepreneurs that you should be grinding all the time, you just need to be behind your laptop being busy and all that stuff. No, that's not entrepreneurship. I feel the reason most people get into business is to build a life of freedom, and I want to show you that hey, starting your own business can be fun. It's not like dreadful like what other people say it is. Like you have to be spending like 14 hours behind your laptop getting work done, rejection, nah. It's actually really fun if you know how to balance your time, if you know how to manage your risk, and that's exactly what I want to show you guys. So guys, just got done with a bit of work. Right now I'm headed to my university because it's the start of the new semester, so I want to make sure that my subjects are registered and I don't face any hiccups later on down the road. So I'm going to take you guys to my university, and it's going to be a very interesting and very eventful day today, which I'll be telling you guys why later on. And if you guys are watching this and if you have not smashed that subscribe button guys, it's for free. Just click the subscribe button, it will help my channel a whole lot. And I'll be also doing 100 ringgit giveaway to any of you guys who actually watch this until the end and comment down below what is the event that I'm going to go to after this, which is pretty exciting. So yeah. So the reason why I got into this entrepreneurship line and the whole marketing space is because 2 reasons, right? The first reason was I genuinely wanted to make money because I love traveling, I love exploring places, right? And in order to do that, you need money. and I didn't want to fall into that excuse that, oh, I'll wait until I'm 25 once I start working. So I just started looking for ways. I started with drop shipping, I started with print on demand, all these different things, and I finally just fell in love with marketing, and I realized that, hey, you know what, this is meant for me. Like, I just love coming up with marketing campaigns for our clients, getting them killer results. And we mainly work with e-com stores and service-based businesses. So we run paid traffic like Facebook ads, we build sales funnel, and I have an amazing team, which Yuvin is part of it as well. So very excited stuff. So yeah, that's when like juggling isn't big of an issue, because when I was in university, I spent most of my time just chilling around, wasting my time. So if you can find a side hustle that you love and pays you really well, that's really good. So I also want to, if you guys have any questions about, you know, how do I start my side hustle, how do I start finding clients, all of the questions, I'm always available on Instagram. So just shoot me a DM and I'll be more than happy to help you guys out. Alright guys, just arrived my uni. It's called University Tenaga Nasional, which stands for the National Energy University of Malaysia. So right now we're gonna go register my subject, then have lunch, and yeah, we're gonna go and do something pretty exciting after this. Just got done, everything is good, paid everything, and we're good to go. I got one more semester left before I finish off with my diploma and continue my degree. So right now guys, I've not told you this, but I've been working as a freelancer all this while, right? I have a company, but it's not registered and whatsoever. But right now, thank God, things are scaling. I've hired 3 more people into the team, and we have a really strong operations when it comes to getting our clients results, and we're scaling like crazy. So right now we're going to SSM to register the business, to make it official, and so we don't get into, you know, all these legal stuff along the way. So it's a big day today guys, it's a very big day. It's my first time ever registering a business. I never thought I would have done that. So let's go. So I just registered. Everything is online guys. It was so simple, it took me less than 2 minutes to get it done. So if you're running a side hustle, once you start making money, get yourself registered. Some good shit bro. Whatever the name of the restaurant, please sponsor. Give you a shout out.